Okay, let's see you do it.
Also, look at me. Hi.
Good job. You want to go across the other way?
Help!
Why help?
I can't get down.
Oh, come on, sweetie.
No.
Yes, you can. Your foot's turned the other way. Turn it back. Turn it back. Come on, Juliet. Be a big girl. It's okay. Turn it back.
Can you hold me?
No, you're a big girl.
No.
Hold on. There you go. See, I told you. You didn't need my help. What are you doing? What are you yaying about?
Daddy. Hey, Daddy, watch this. Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Watch.
Honestly, these monkey bars are way too easy for her now.
Whoa.
She goes on much higher ones.
Man, look at you, dude. Can you go all the way across?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, I can.
Aw, you could have gone all the way across. You have your own water, Nugget. Get your own water. It's my water.
So why don't you go to